Hello my friends, I got to sleep in this morning. I uncovered the secret to alchemy, and welcome to my Wvlog. So today I'm going to try a couple of new things. First of all, I'm going to try not moving as much, because that was brought up as something that was a little bit annoying. So I'm going to try to just stand here and awkwardly hold the camera while I talk. Get out of there. My dog. Anyway, for the rest of this week, it's looking like it's going to be similar to what I said yesterday. Sunny for today and probably tomorrow, and then Friday it's looking like the weather system is going to move in a little bit earlier than I had said, so it'll probably be foggy in the morning and then cloud over and maybe rain on Friday night. It's going to be kind of nasty on Saturday again, but it's looking like throughout parts of next week it might be nice again, off and on, so hope that happens. Now for the rest of you, I was also told that it's a little bit confusing for me to ramble on about thermal troughs and bridges of high pressure. So I'm going to try to give you some basics before I start going off into the wild blue yonder. Get out of here, dog. So first of all, probably the most basic part of meteorology that I can explain at the moment that will be the most helpful is high pressure and low pressure. And basically what that means is that, there's more air in one area or less air in one area. My dog is snapping at flies. Yep, that's my wonderfully intelligent dog. Anyway, high pressure, low pressure. So yeah, high pressure, there's more air there. Low pressure is less air. And because of that, it creates a couple of different properties of high pressure and low pressure that make them affect the weather. For instance, here, hang on, I'm going to need to, this is going to sound really annoying. One moment, please. Okay. So, high pressure. High pressure, there's a lot of air. So, the air tends to rush downwards from the upper atmosphere, because there's more of it, and it tends to be a little bit cooler as well. But it comes down and goes out, which means that there's not going to be as many clouds, because clouds are formed in an upward motion generally. So when the air is moving down, there's not going to be as many clouds. Hence, it's clear like it is right now. Low pressure is the opposite. There's less air, so the air rushes in and goes up, which forms clouds, and it'll start rotating. But that's a little bit more complicated than I'm going to get right now. Basically, high pressure, no clouds. Low pressure, clouds and rain. During the winter, we get a lot of low pressure systems moving right one after another because of the jet stream, which I'll explain in a couple days or so. But so does that make a little bit more sense? Now the thermal trough has to do with low pressure, and that gets a little bit more complicated because there's not as many clouds. But basically, when you have a high pressure system, it's probably going to be clearer and a little bit cooler. When we have a low pressure system, it's going to be a little bit more mild and wet. That goes mostly for the winter. During the summer it changes a little bit, but during the winter, you can pretty much expect that to happen with any low pressure or high pressure system. Get out of here, dog. Okay. Like I said, today I learned how to make alchemy happen. See, look, check it out. I made a gold penny. Just kidding, it's not actually gold. We stuck it in a zinc solution, and then heated it up and made it into brass, copper and zinc brass. So that was pretty fun. Got to do some fun. What else did I do today? I don't even know. Yeah. Awkwardness deletion. Okay. Anyway, so let me know if you guys have any questions. Like I said, post a comment if you have a question. Post a comment if you have a suggestion. I'll take it if it's reasonable. And I think that's it for today. So for now, this is Eyes on the Sky. What the crap? What am I doing? I need an outro. You guys want to help me think of an outro? Eyes on the Sky. We'll see ya.